Pat from Signature Camper Trailers. Today we just want to show what we've done with one of our owners who's got a Gen 1 Iridium 13. When he ordered this van back in 22, it would have had a dust reduction system from Dometic, but he had a height restriction for his parking situation at home in his garage. So there's no air conditioning on the roof, no dust reduction on the roof. He's now come back to us because he obviously wants to do some more outback travel and wants to try and keep the dust out of the van. So we've gone through with this Gusto unit on the side here and managed to cut it into where the wardrobe is, which is a bit of an interesting sort of thing, but it's pretty much the only place we can put it on this model. It's very tight, there's not a lot of space in there. There's not really anywhere else to put it in this van unless it was going to be like out in the open near the TV or something like that, which is probably going to encroach on the bed space. This is probably the best place to put it, so it seems to work pretty well. So the main difference between obviously this side mounted unit and the one on the roof is its location for one, which is good for height restrictions, but also this unit's actually powered. So it has an internal built-in fan which actually forces air into the van regardless of whatever speed you're doing. The Dometic one will rely more on road speed to push the air into the van, to pressurise the van. Yeah, we did a fair bit of testing and stuff with this unit, with one of the guys from Gusto as well. We filled some of the vans with smoke to actually see where the air pushes in and pushes some of the smoke out of the vans. This helps us, actually help us sort of work out where the vans seal best and stuff like that with door seals and roof seals. The pop tops can be a little bit harder to seal because it's got a massive roof on the top there. This unit here, to keep this one clean, there's only 4 screws on the outside here. This outside cover comes off. There's a filter in that comes out. It's fully washable. You can wash it down with some soap and water, let it dry out, fit it back into the camper and off you go again. So if anyone else is sort of interested in doing this side mount retrofit, by all means contact us. I can't guarantee it's going to be a perfect fit for every van, or it's possible even, but we're more than happy to work with you and try and help see if there's some way we can incorporate this into your van.